Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Sauk City, Wisconsin, and home of family-owned McFarlane Manufacturing, where they've been a staple in their industry and community for over 100 years. Since the creation of their first tractor in 1917, McFarlane has evolved into a multifaceted operation that has diversified and expanded into ag equipment manufacturing, structural steel fabrication, and even a retail and service center, all with a family-first culture and commitment to treating customers like family. McFarlane is a recognized leader in seedbed preparation tools. The lineup of primary, secondary, vertical, and universal tillage tools meets the complex needs of today's farmer. With the introduction of the Insight, Cobra, Quadratill, and Harrow line, McFarlane helps growers meet their seedbed goals and yield potential. McFarlane Manufacturing's structural steel division personifies structural integrity. With 24,000 square feet of state-of-the-art machinery, paired with talented management, drafting personnel, and fabricators, no one can exceed the quality of McFarlane steel. From churches and hospitals to schools and airport terminals, and even custom steelwork like stairs, railings, and more, McFarlane has been a trusted name to contractors and architects for more than 30 years. McFarlane Manufacturing has the diversity and expertise you would expect from a company 10 times its size, but they've never lost focus of their most valuable assets, customers, and families. Whether it's innovative farm machinery or structural steel fabrication, McFarlane continues to provide the best of class in all they do. McFarlane Manufacturing, where service is a family tradition. Visit McFarlaneAg.com to learn more. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.